Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Twitch stats on OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS is running, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar with several options. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the Settings window where you can configure various aspects of OBS. In the Settings window, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories. Click on Stream. This section allows you to connect OBS to your streaming platform and configure how your stream will be broadcast. At the top of the stream settings, you'll see an option labeled Service. Right beside it, there's a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select Twitch from the list of available streaming platforms. This tells OBS that you want to stream to Twitch and enables platform-specific features. Once you select Twitch, you'll notice a new option appears. Click on Connect Account Recommended. This is the best way to link your Twitch account to OBS and will prompt you to log into your account. A login window will appear asking for your credentials. You'll need to select your login method by entering your username and password. Alternatively, if you prefer using third-party authentication, you can choose other sign-in options. In this case, I'll use Google to sign into my account. Enter your email or phone number in the designated field, then click Next to proceed. On the next screen, enter your password in the field provided, then click Next again. The system will verify your credentials and establish the connection between your Twitch account and OBS. After successfully logging in, you'll be brought back to the OBS settings window. In the bottom right corner, click Apply to save your changes. Then click OK to close the settings window. This ensures all your configurations are properly saved. Now, in the upper left corner of the OBS main window, click on Docs. This menu controls which panels and widgets are visible in your OBS interface. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Twitch Stats. This activates the Twitch Statistics panel. And that's it. Your Twitch stats will now appear in your OBS interface, allowing you to monitor your stream's performance in real time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.